Forecasting errors cost manufacturers millions in unused inventory. MTE-Thomson saw a smarter way forward with AI. Forecasting predicts future customer demand using data like sales history, market trends, and seasonality. For manufacturers like MTE-Thomson, a leader in aftermarket automotive sensors, accurate forecasts are key to planning production, sourcing materials, and managing inventory. But forecasting isn't easy. It requires factoring in vehicle models on the road, regional demand shifts, and broader economic trends, all of which make predictions complex and error-prone.
The lead time it takes for production, shipping, customs, we're talking sometimes about 6 months between placing an order and actually getting the goods in my warehouse. So demand forecasting gets really, really, really important, right? Because if you're wrong, you're really wrong for a long time.
MTE-Thomson faced two core issues: forecasting demand accurately and maintaining optimal inventory. Inaccurate forecasts lead to overproduction or stockouts, both expensive. Coordinating these two pillars within a manufacturing business is so complex that the only companies that are able to manage them are those who are able to designate entire teams to those departments.
Our ordering process for every month, it would take like a week of our purchase people to analyze the data and make decisions on what to buy. And after we implemented the tool all the tools we created with Rapid Canvas, takes us probably like 2 to 3 hours. It's a huge improvement.
Partnering with Rapid Canvas, MTE-Thomson adopted the hybrid approach to AI, combining the Rapid Canvas agentic AI platform with human experts from both teams to build smarter, faster, and more reliable forecasts. Using the Rapid Canvas agentic AI platform, MTE-Thomson's own supply chain experts worked side by side with Rapid Canvas AI engineers, a true human-in-the-loop partnership that ensured models reflected on the ground realities. First, they cleaned and organized historical data like sales, lead times, and order cycles. Then, a machine learning model was built to predict demand more accurately than spreadsheets ever could. Next, they introduced an inventory optimization system, adjusting safety stock and order cycles to avoid both excess and shortages. Finally, custom data apps were developed, giving the team dashboards with real-time insights into forecasts, stock levels, and trends, turning guesswork into strategy. Forecast accuracy jumped by over 20%. Inventory management improved. Stockouts dropped. And working capital was optimized. MTE-Thomson saw a 35% improvement in operational efficiency thanks to reduced manual work and better system coordination.
We have a lot of customers or people visiting the office and they look around the empty office and say, is that it? I mean, like, when you see the brand in the marketplace, they think we are like 10 times bigger in terms of people, right? They all ask, how can you do all that with only these people, right? So we are always looking how to do more with less. And that's how we were able to survive, right? We never survive in terms of budget, marketing, or whatever against huge multinationals, right? We need to be really efficient and do more with less.
$200,000 were saved annually by eliminating time spent on manual order adjustments, allowing the supply chain team to focus on strategic tasks, resulting in 27x ROI on the AI investment, a massive return in just a short span. The AI system didn't just prevent costly mistakes, it gave the team a competitive edge. Forecasting will never be simple, but with the right data and AI tools, it doesn't have to be painful. MTE-Thomson turned a long-standing challenge into a streamlined, AI-powered advantage. But the quest for efficiency continues. With each new forecasting challenge, MTE-Thomson and Rapid Canvas continue to work together to turn complex data into clear decisions. Visit rapidcanvas.com to learn more.